guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 2004 Pontiac GTO. This is a 6-speed manual. It has custom features, which would be wheels, a 2005 hood, and a whole bunch of stuff inside. We're going to go through a full walk around and test drive. Be sure to like and subscribe so we can give you more content just like this. I'm going to start off with overall paint quality and condition. I rate this a 6.5 out of 10. Extremely fun, very versatile, tires are really good. I'm going to open up the hood right now. There are minor imperfections throughout, so that's why we're giving it that rating, but overall it is a very nice car. All right, we're going to open it up. This is powered by a 5.7 liter LS1, extremely healthy power plant. It does have the GTO engine covers right there, and you see this is like the signature LS1 manifold. K&N air intake. We did take it for a test drive. It drives really nice, and we're going to do that again with you guys. Paint quality, as I said, is a 6.5 out of 10. But it does show very well, and the pictures do give this car a lot of justice. As we go down the side of this GTO, you're going to see that sinister look. It's got those rounded edges, that beautiful wing in the back, and it is rolling on a set of rough racing wheels. Tires have about 95% tread on them. Doors open up easily. You do have your GTO badging right here. When you open it up, very clean. You can see those pedals right there. Steering wheel's in nice shape. You've got your shift selector, and it does have an aftermarket radio. We're going to go more into detail on that radio when we get inside the car. So this is going to come with 2 sets of keys. Let's open up the trunk. Rear quarter is nice, there's no rust. Underside is very nice. Has a clean Carfax as well. Let's open up the trunk here. We've got a GTO emblem and the 5.7 liter, which designates the engine size. Trunk is very clean. You have your release for if you get stuck in there. Let's close it. Rear bumper's nice. And this does have the single exit exhaust on the side. So that's the difference between this and then the models that come after it. Passenger side looks great. When you go from this angle right here, it's just beautiful. You can see the reflection of all the cars next to me. Gonna open up the passenger side door now. I do see a little bit of a ding right here. Let me open up the door. Windows go up and down well. Dash is nice. As I said, it's a clean Carfax. Front fender looks really good. Let me start it up so you can hear it, and I'll get in the back so you hear that exhaust. Let me start it up. Ready for the bald eagles. Woo! Let me get back here. Sounds really good, super healthy, no smoke, no hesitation. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. Okay guys, we're inside the GTO right now. Steering wheel is really nice. It does have perforated leather right here and on the bottom. You do have controls for your volume and your song selections. I don't know if that works with this radio because there's a password for this radio, so I haven't been able to figure it out. So that was what I wanted to tell you about this. It does fold out, so that's one of the features. And it looks like there was a model at one point on the roof of this car, if you could take a gander right there. We're gonna take the e-brake off, put it into first gear. I do see a check engine light. I don't know what that's about. We'll run the code to see. Gas is working, our TAC is working, and you can swap that from kilometers to miles per hour. You do have an aftermarket gauge here which measures your throttle position and your coolant temperature, which is showing it has 221 degrees Fahrenheit, which doesn't sound right to me. It's starting to drop now, interesting. All right. Really smooth. It's a pretty torquey motor, very healthy. If you guys have any questions about shipping this specific car, any car in our inventory, you go to our transport tab, you put your zip code in or your port of entry, we'll be able to get you a quote for that. We can normally ship to California for around $1,750 in closed carrier, and then open carrier is a little bit cheaper. Texas would run us around $1,100 in closed carrier and cheaper open. I'm gonna turn right here shortly and we'll test it out. We're gonna test it out. Whoa, it chirps in the second. Feels really good. That was to 60 miles an hour. Really healthy. Pulls nicely on the top end. Turning right here. That's a pretty peppy car. It feels good. All right, you ready? Feels good. As you can see, it's a really peppy car. If you guys have any questions about this, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Super smooth power delivery, 6-speed manual transmission. Windows work as they should. That one's a little bit slower. 6.5 out of 10 easily. Very cool car.